Good morning, ma'am. I am Omar bin Nasir from class 9th A. Today I am going to present about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum was discovered in 1945 by Ernest Fulham, Keith Porter, and Albert Claude, and it was discovered in Belgium at Rockefeller Institute. Shape is like a tubular network of cytoplasmic pipelines, and its size are about 150 nanometer in diameter. Why smooth ER is smooth? Because there are no ribosomes on the surface of this organelle, unlike its counterpart, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which gets its name from the presence of the ribosomes. The organelle called endoplasmic reticulum occurs in both plant and animal. What is the role of smooth ER? Smooth ER is devoted almost exclusively to the manufacture of lipids and in some cases to the metabolism of them and associated products. What are the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has such function as the manufacture of steroid hormones in endocrine cells, the detoxification of organic compounds within liver cells, the release of glucose in liver cells, and regulating the concentration of calcium ions within the cisternae space. What is smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-bound network of tubules without surface ribosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not involved in protein synthesis. Its main function is the synthesis of lipids, steroids, and carbohydrates, as well as the metabolism of exogenous substances such as drugs or toxins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum functions in many metabolic processes. It synthesizes the lipids, phospholipids, as in plasma membrane, and steroids, cells that secrete these products, such as cells of the testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, have an excess of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also carries out the metabolism of carbohydrate and steroids. In muscle cells, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum regulates calcium ion storage. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, like the rough endoplasmic reticulum, is connected to the nuclear envelope. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum comprises tube-like structure located near the cell periphery. These tubules or tubes sometimes branch, forming a network that is reticular in appearance. The network of smooth endoplasmic reticulum allows for an increased surface area to be devoted to storage of key enzymes. What if the smooth endoplasmic reticulum stops working properly? If the smooth endoplasmic reticulum stops working properly, then the whole organism will be affected. When a human consumes alcohol, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxifies the harmful effect of the substance. There would be no transportation of necessary materials to the other organelles. The cell would stop functioning. The liver would also fail. A cell needs a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and many problems would result without one. The interesting fact about smooth endoplasmic reticulum is largely associated with lipid manufacture, metabolism, steroid production, and hormone production. It also has a detoxification function. Thank you, ma'am, for watching.